Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to sort an array in ascending order in Java. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a sample array over here. So first thing we need to import the array class which is present in the util package. Just go and type import java.util. Instead of asterisk over here, we will be typing capital A and we will be having the arrays over here. Yeah, arrays. Just import it because we need to make use of the sort function which is present inside this arrays class. And just come to the next line. It's going to be capital A. Be careful with that. Arrays dot. We will be having the sort function. So sort, yeah. And within that we need to just pass the name of our array, which is ARR in my case. So that's it. Our array will be automatically getting sorted now. And after this, we need to just display the array. Simple. Just use a for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than array name dot length and I plus plus and yeah, I think that's the code. If you don't want to like use this way, you need to just follow some bubble sort or selection sort algorithm. So this is just a single line. You're gonna able to sort it. Yeah, I think this works fine now. Yeah, I'm saving it and Java C, right? Yeah. Yeah, no errors. So I will view the output now. Yeah, so here you can see I am getting my array completely sorted. 0, 1, 6, 8, 9, 102, 130. So it's getting sorted in ascending order. Simple, import the arrays class from util package, arrays.sort, array name. That's it. And do check other videos in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB. Thanks for watching.